Guys, it's day 13 iftari. Come break my fast with me. Starting off with the day. Bismillah. Now moving on to the watermelon. This is juicy as always on my days. That's banging. Now moving on to the kiswadi and sana. Only my true Bengalis know about this. Let's just dig in. Right, they're banging this time. Now moving on to the fried wings. That's banging. Now moving on to the grilled wings. That's banging. Now moving on to the grilled chicken. I'm gonna dip it in the garlic sauce. That is banging. What the hell? Now moving on to the chips. Oh my days. That's banging. Now moving on to the rice. Let's get into it. That's bare flavorful, you know. That's banging. Now moving on to the grilled strips. Let's dig in. This is kind of hot, I can't lie. Now moving on to this quadruple burger. I don't know how this got on my plate, but it got on my plate. Let's dig in. That is banging. What the hell? Now finally I gotta wash it down with Tango. Have a blessed Ramadan, guys. I'm gonna be doing more of these videos, so make sure you stay tuned.